So this is Sesame come groundnut cleaning machine. Whatever the things we are showing is the machine. It consists of a SS hopper in which 30 kg grains, either sesame or groundnut. Hereafter I will be referring as sesame, which the properties is applicable to groundnut also. So 30 kg sesame we can put in the hopper, which is made of SS, and from that it will come to the double sleeve. This is a double sieve machine which is made of SS. So it is a rust free one. The grains will cleaned at the two levels, and as shown in the figure, the grains will get collected at the one side. On the other side, the dust will get collected. You can see the detailed process in the coming part of the video. So this machine is a very compact machine which is suitable for the small and medium sized oil mills, and it is a budget friendly one. And this is a budget friendly one, and it fits into a very small space. So the small and medium oil mills which are having space constraints can use this machine very well. And whatever the parts used are highly quality parts, you can get the return of investment in 3 months, and after that it will be a profit. So actually for cleaning a sesame, at least we need at least 2 rupees we need to give. So per kg, if you are giving 2 rupees, and if you are doing monthly average 300 kgs per day and 9,000 kgs per day, means it will be 18,000 rupees. So in that way you have to spend around 55 to 60,000 rupees in 3 months. So this with this 3 months you can get the investment of this machine, which is worth of 60,000 rupees, and after that you will get the profit, and you can avoid all the labor problems. So this is the advantage of using you are purchasing this machine. This consists of a half HP motor, 3-phase motor, and it works on the same principle as like shaking the hand. This is the side view of the machine. All the machine internal parts, motors, mechanisms are safely inside the box. So whatever the dust coming from the machine will not settle on the parts. So the arrow mark moving here is the valve opening and closing of the hopper. With a small hand switch, with a single phase operated valve, you can open close the valve, and all the grains will flow to the sieve. And as shown in the left side, there is one collection area, so where the sesame and groundnut will get collected on the one side. On the other side, the dust will get collected. You can see detailedly in the video. This is the rear view of the machine. As shown in the arrow mark, the dust will collected at this side, and on the opposite side the grains will get collected. There are two valves, there are two openings. One is valve operated and one is direct open, in which for the bigger opening is for the groundnuts. This valve is similar to the washing machine open close valve, so where the water will get drained. The same way we can open close this valve by using a simple switch, which is a single phase operated, and there is having a separate switch in the board. So we can close whenever we want to stop the grains flowing from the hopper. This is a 30 kg hopper which holds the grain firmly, and it is having two openings. One is a bigger opening and one is a smaller opening. Smaller opening is for sesame and bigger opening is for the groundnut. So smaller opening is of 1 inch size and bigger opening is of 2 inch size. So whenever there is some problem, we can immediately off the valve and stop the grains flow, which avoid the unnecessary wastages of the grains. So this is firmly standing in the chassis, and the width of the machine is 2.5 feet, which fits into any of the door openings, and it is very suitable for the places where the space is a constraint. So it can go in to the any small opening, like, because minimum opening width is 2.5 feet. This is designed for the same width, that is 27 inch, less than the 2.5 width. So it is very compatible and user friendly. Okay, so it is using the half HP plano drives motor, which is a gear operated motor, and the RPM is 200. So now we will see the one bigger sieve. Whatever the sieve we have seen is a smaller one of 1.5 into 2 feet size. This is a bigger sieve of 8 into 3 feet size. This is made of SS, and this sieve is for the bigger variant, which we will show in the last part of the video, but we have not used any grinds for that. As the size is very big, we have kept it outside and shoot the video. The grinds will get wasted, so that we have not used any grinds on that. We just showed the principle itself. So this is a bigger sieve, and it is having the 6 to 7 times capacity of the smaller machine. The smaller machine size is 2.5 feet breadth, length is 4.5 feet, and height is 5 feet. And this machine is of 8 into 3 feet, the sieve size. And the total machine length will be around 10.5 to 11 feet. So which is suitable for the bigger mills, which is having higher capacity. Now we will see the working of the machine. So now, as shown in the figure, the grains is flowing from the valve, which is operated. So as you see, the grains is flowing. We have just dropped only 10 kg as a part of the test. So now it is going back and forth. It's a simple hand operated mechanism only. But the speciality of the machine is that it is a very compact size and suitable for all the mills, and speed is 60 kgs per hour. So the grain will get collected at the one side. This is the dust we are getting collected on the other side of the machine. The valve is opened and it is moving back and forth. So now we have opened only one valve for sesame, and it is getting collected on one side. So we can control the speed as we want if we put the speed control switches, but it is not required. We can make it at the one speed. So it will reduce the labor cost to a larger extent, and the unnecessary tensions. Now we are adding the actual sound of the machine as a audio track.
Hello.
This is the bigger variant of the machine where the 8 into 3 feet sieve is fixed. This is not a hanging type, this is a wheel type with a uh, rails, small rails as shown in the figure. So this is the whole mechanism where a simple motor and the pulleys are revolving. So we are having 2-3 pulleys which we can change the belt and we can change the speed. It is a half HP bomb type motor which is having a reduction speed and the output RPM of 150 to 200. This is our control test unit which is shown in the green. This is the switchboard where the things will get controlled. This is another variant where we have not, as said earlier, we have not tested with the grains as it is outside and the grains will get wasted. We just tested the mechanism. This switch as shown in the figure will open close the single phase solenoid operated valve. This is the 3-phase control. We have tested it in a slow speed. This is rails made of C channels with a pulley operated wheel so that we can operate it in a high speed up to 300-400 RPM, and the green color whatever shown before is our test kit. Once the speed is finalized, we can remove the test kit and we can directly operate the machine at the time of delivery. This is where the grains will get collected and collected at the hopper. Since due to the space constraints we are not tested. So now it is showing the 20 kg hopper. We can replace it with the 80 kg hopper as we want. The door can be closed and opened so that the dust will not enter. It's a simple project. So this is open close we can make. Actually the video is shot separately and the audio is made separately. That's why there will be some mismatches between the audio and the video. Because in the sound we are unable to shoot the audio properly. So we have made a voice over here. That's why some mismatches might be there. We try to mesh as much as possible. This is half HP. We have tested with that, but actually this 8 into 3 requires 2 HP as per the calculation. We can replace with the 2 HP motor. That's all about this project. I can explain it more at the time of the interview. This is to showcase that I am capable of doing a project independently and what I have did. And one more thing I need to show. This wheel is not covered with the top rail. 1 minute, I will show you. Please be patient. So it will reciprocate at this. Now the RPM is 75 just for testing, but actually RPM should be 300. So we can cover it with the same type of C channel on the top to avoid the dust to enter the bearing of the wheels. I will show that pieces what I have fabricated. Yeah, the same way we can cover it at the top, so that at the actual time of work the dust will not enter on it. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching.